Have you ever wondered why you can't stop thinking about that one particular person? Yes, that one person, the one that just crossed your mind. You smiled, huh? Well, it feels almost magical, doesn't it? But the truth is, it isn't magic at all. Your brain is quietly running a hidden algorithm that decides who you fall for. And it's stranger and more fascinating than you'd expect. To understand this, we need to start with one core truth, and that is, attraction lives entirely in the brain. Scientists describe these three major systems involved as lust, attraction, and attachment. It's almost like your brain is running its own internal dating show. Lust is the first system to switch on, pushed by hormones like testosterone and estrogen. It's your brain nudging you and saying, go and find someone. Then comes attraction. That's the stage of butterflies, constant thoughts, and daydreams. This is when dopamine floods your system, giving you that euphoric high. From attraction, finally comes attachment, which develops into the bond that holds long-term relationships together. It is powered by chemicals like oxytocin and vasopressin. What's most surprising is that these three systems can either operate together or be completely separate. That's why you might feel lust for one person, attraction toward another, and emotional attachment to someone entirely different. So, what makes your brain choose that specific person as your crush? Is it their smile, their laugh, or their confidence? Yes and no. There's far more happening beneath the surface than just this. One major factor is simple exposure. You're more likely to develop feelings for people you see often, like coworkers, classmates, and childhood acquaintances. This is known as the mere exposure effect. Your brain naturally prefers what feels familiar, even if you don't consciously notice it. Research also shows that many people are drawn to partners who subtly resemble their parents, not necessarily in appearance, but in behavior, mannerisms, or emotional patterns. It's a subconscious pull toward what feels known and comforting. Your brain also scans for signs of health and good genetics. Things like facial symmetry, clear skin, and confident posture send quiet signals of fitness. Psychologists call this evolutionary attraction. This is your brain assessing who might be a strong partner for survival. And then comes the chemical chaos of having a crush. Dopamine, the reward chemical, plays a huge role in this. It's the same chemical that is released when you win a game, or when you enjoy your favorite food. It's why thoughts of your crush feel addictive. Norepinephrine ramps up your excitement and makes your heart race. Meanwhile, serotonin levels drop, which explains the obsessive thinking. Your brain is literally prioritizing your crush above everything else. All of this can make falling for someone feel like an addiction, because in many ways, it is an addiction. But then science reaches its limits. Attraction isn't only biological, it's also personal, emotional, and unpredictable. Psychologists refer to this unexplained element as the X factor. Sometimes two people simply connect in a way that defies logic, like Marilyn Monroe and Arthur Miller, two complete opposites who still fell deeply in love. Maybe she admired his intelligence. Maybe he saw her depth beyond the fame. The X factor reminds us that your experiences, values, and emotional history all influence who you are drawn to. Attraction is rarely just about looks. While appearance might catch your attention at first, traits like kindness, humor, and confidence tend to matter far more. Studies even show that the more time you spend with someone, the more attractive they can become, even if you didn't initially see them that way. This is called the slow burn effect, and it proves that emotional connection can actually change your perception of a person. So, the next time you find yourself lost in thoughts about your crush, remember, your brain is orchestrating the entire thing. Attraction is a blend of biology, psychology, and the mysterious X factor that makes love both thrilling and complicated. But here's the real takeaway. Attraction may begin in your brain, but what you build together is entirely up to you. What matters most isn't just who your brain chooses. It's how you connect, grow, and understand each other as time goes on. If you enjoyed this, please stay, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, stay safe. Bye.